Hi, I'm Otávio Pitaluga, CNO, Chief Networking Officer of BCockpit. Today we invite you to become an early bird. We had an early bird campaign a while ago. By that time, we got 150 subscribers. Yes, that's a good chunk. So now that we have our MVP, Minimum Valuable Product Alpha version ready, what you do is the following. We invite them all to join us, start experiencing BCockpit since today. But those 60-day free trial that they got by the time of that registration, we will only count them whenever we launch officially BCockpit in the beta version. Then other people may think, oh, I lost this opportunity. Not really, because we'd like to invite you to become an early bird by doing a small donation ranging between $10 up to $40, so they can be entitled to enjoy between 3 months up to 12 month free trial period after the launch. So the same rule will apply to you. Sounds good? Sounds fair? So please go to www.bcockpit.com, choose your language among Portuguese, English, French, and Spanish, and make your donation. And later on, you'll receive the instructions to become an early bird. Thank you so much for trusting us. Thank you for the confidence in our project. And we are looking forward to welcoming you very soon.